Did you know there are over 4 billion mobile phones in use? More than 2 billion internet users. And Facebook alone has over 1 billion followers. And then there's Google, who logs over 2 billion searches a day, with technology being their most searched topic. If any of these represented a country, mobile phones would be considered the biggest. And with no end in sight, top performing companies have realized that mobile marketing is now the newest and fastest way to grow their business. Welcome to the W3 Mobile Marketing Cloud. It's the first automated mobile marketing solution that empowers vendors with their very own private labeled ad tracking and email marketing platform that makes it easy on their resellers to promote, market, and send their collateral. Alright, imagine a service where all you had to do is provide the collateral, and then, through the cloud, each reseller receives a private labeled ready to send email campaign that's auto-scheduled and sent to their contacts. Without effort, resellers from all over the country are now promoting, marketing, and recommending your brand like never before. Plus, with detailed web metrics, you'll know which resellers are producing, how many campaigns they've sent, and the number of new opportunities generated. By launching your own mobile marketing cloud, we'll tie your entire channel partner marketing initiative into one seamless motion, giving you the inside track on how to double down on the campaigns that work and to eliminate those that just aren't measuring up. With W3, doubling your channel opportunities is easy and affordable. To see for yourself, contact us today and try out our new low-cost pilot program.